Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic, and today I'm going to do an AliExpress haul. So I did a poll on my Instagram and I asked would you like to see an Indian makeup haul or an AliExpress haul. So most of you said you want to see AliExpress haul, so I thought of sharing it with you all. I have been buying things from AliExpress from more than 3 years now, and they have been ups and downs. Like sometimes I have never received products, sometimes I have received refund and stuff like that. But anyway, I have already posted a video on how to shop on AliExpress, which will be in the description box and also somewhere on the screen. I get this question most of the time that they don't accept debit card. So let me tell you guys, I did shop using my debit card. You need to just check with your bank whether this card can be utilized for an international shopping website. They will activate in no time, guys. It takes hardly any seconds to activate that. You just need to write a letter depending on the bank. Like I have XYZ bank, so that bank asked me to just write a letter and give it to them, so they will activate it instantly. So with that said, I'm going to show you what all I picked up from AliExpress. So I actually shopped from one store. This is my suggestion, guys. Whenever you're shopping from AliExpress, prefer sticking to one store. Like at least minimum $5 of order value should be there. At least they provide you the tracking details. So I am talking about the store which is called Beauty Glaze. They are also available on Instagram. The first product has to be my favorite, which is Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Dupe. Now I picked up this one just because I didn't want to shell out 4,000 some number on a single eyeshadow palette. I'm sure there are people will say that palette is worth and blah blah blah, but I'm sorry, I'm not a person who will spend so much money on a palette. So I picked up this palette which is a dupe of Rose Gold Huda Beauty palette, and the outer casing looks like this. You can see here mentioned beauty glazed, and behind you will see all the eyeshadow names mentioned in this. And let's just open the beauty. And this is how the eyeshadows looks like. There is no mirror and nothing. This is how the eyeshadows looks like. They are exact copy of Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm just gonna swatch a few shades and show you actual the pigmentation. So I'm just gonna pick a few shades in this. And they also have written the names of all the shades, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna swatch Birthday, Rose Gold, and let's swatch Dubai, and then I'm gonna swatch this black, which is a beautiful black. Trust me guys, these eyeshadows are super pigmented. When I say this, they are really pigmented. Now I'm gonna just swatch it somewhere on my hand and show you the pigments. If you can see, here are the swatches. They are super pigmented, guys. I really like it. So this palette was for 317 rupees, which I feel it is not even the 1/3 of Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palette price. This is extremely affordable, 315 rupees. I really like this palette. And the next palette which I picked up from the same store, it is a Beauty Glazed Glitz and Glam eyeshadow palette. It has got 10 different shades, and it also comes with a pressed glitters, which I really like it. And I'm going to tell you the price of this as well, so that you can get an idea. So this was for 293 rupees, guys, and you should see the colors. And this was for 293, as I said, and this is how the packaging looks like. It is completely matte. These are the eyeshadows. It comes with a plastic thing to protect the eyeshadows, and these are the gorgeous eyeshadow. I just feel instead of this pink, they should have added a black color, but anyways, I have many blacks in other palettes. I can use it. Can't wait to try this palette as well. I'm just gonna swatch 1 or 2 glitter shades from this and few of the matte as well. So the glitters are extremely pigmented, and let's just take this one and the gold. Can you just see this? And I'm just gonna swatch it over here. Oh my god, can you just take a moment to say these are just gorgeous eyeshadows. I really like this eyeshadow, and do let me know if you want me to try this eyeshadow and create a look and share it with you all. And I'm just gonna try the matte eyeshadows. The matte eyeshadows looks extremely pigmented, and I just wish they had a black in it. So if you can see, take into swatch. Can you just see the swatch, guys? They are super pigmented. I really like this palette, and these are just for 293 rupees, guys. They are super affordable. And the last product which I'm going to show you from this particular store is this highlighter. Basically, this is a 3D highlighter. It comes in 3 different shades. I picked up shade number 02, which is bronze, and the packaging is just stunning, guys. Let me just show you the product, and I have used this today on my face. I can truly see a total glow on my face. Do let me know if you see any glow on my face. I would love to hear that. And now coming back to the main packaging, this is how the product bottle looks like. It is very luxurious bottle. It has a matte finish. It comes with a dropper, and the consistency of this highlighter is extremely thick, as you can see here. You can use this highlighter before applying your foundation, and also just to highlight, or wherever you want to highlight. You can even use after foundation as well. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand and show you the pigmentation and how it actually turns out. So I've just taken that tiny bit of it, and I'm just going to spread all over on my hand and show you the glow. Can you just see this? Can you just see the glow, guys? They are super glossy. I really like it, and this was for 192 rupees, and you get 15 ml of product, which is very affordable. It says you need to shake it well before you apply on your body or face. Everything is mentioned at the back of the bottle. So these are the stuffs, guys, which I shopped from AliExpress, and I totally love it, and all the products are worth money. And yeah, if you want to buy these products right now, there is a sale going on. Definitely check out, and I will leave the link in the description box. And also do let me know if you want me to try out these eyeshadows separately and create a look or something. Definitely I would love to do that. And yeah, if you have any question regarding AliExpress, make sure that you put it down in the comment section. I would love to answer, and I shall see you guys in some other video. Till then, you guys take care.